Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add Lightbox Popup in Wix at 2026. So what is a Lightbox in Wix? A Lightbox is a pop-up window used for email sign up, promotions and discounts, login, welcome messages, for example, contact forms and announcements. So to add it, you will need at first to make sure that you're already logged in with your account to Wix, and after that you will need to open your site. So to do that you will need to go with my site right here. You can find it listed just from here, so you can choose it here. If you can't see it, you will need to go to all sites and then just select that site that you want to add a Lightbox on. So just go and select it just like so, and after that go and click on design site that's located on the top right. Okay, so actually guys, inside the Wix editor or Wix website editor, you will need to go ahead with the left hand menu and click on add elements, the plus icon. Okay, so inside it you will need to go with that option interactive, and after that you will need to go with pop-ups. Okay, so right here you'll need to go with welcome, for example, subscribe, promotion, contact, and choose one. Okay, so for example, let's consider that I want subscribe. Okay, so I will go with that page and then I will just click it and drag into my website. So you'll need to wait it to load, and there you go. So that's the pop-up and that's the light box. Okay, so you can adjust it, you can work on it, it's up to you. And for example, you can add text, images, forms, buttons, even change the size and background, add animations. You can also set close or the X button. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.